Today I am here to explain you about the importance of English. Okay. First of all, what is meant by English? English is a language. English is a source or a medium from which the two peoples can share their thoughts or feelings among them. Second part I want to tell you. I will illustrate an example that how English was important. Okay. See. See. Here there are four fellows standing. These four persons are all the citizens of region. Okay, they are belonging to India. This first fellow talks English. Sorry, he talks Telugu. And our work is to identify that where from he was belonging, which state. Okay, he was talking Telugu, so we can easily identify him that he was from Andhra. Right? Second, this fellow talked Bihari. We can easily identify him. He is from North India. Like that, this fellow talked Hindi. So it is a little bit difficult to tell about him that where from he is belonging. But we can identify this that he is belonging to India and something. Or else this fellow, he talks English. Okay? So anyone can identify him, he is belonging to India in which state? It's impossible because I think English is a world language. It doesn't belong to any country or any state. Okay? Then afterwards, I want to ask one question to you. Is anyone doesn't know English in this class? Please raise your hand. Okay, please can you come here? Hello friend. I want to ask him only two questions. Okay? Need Telugu Raju. He doesn't know Telugu. Right? If you go to the market, you will buy the vegetables. Vegetables konukuntavu. What you would say? If you want to ask him tomatoes. నువ్వు తెలుగులో ఎట్లా అడుగుతావు? ఎంత కేజీ ఎంత? కేజీ. He was asking kg. What is kg? Which language is this? English. You say you doesn't know English. No, you are talking English. I have studied your magazine in which Bill Gates. You know Bill Gates? Who is Bill Gates? Who is Bill Gates? He is the first billionaire in the world. I have studied one article that said that after the Americans, South Indians are the intelligent fellows in the world. After the Americans, South Indians. Why he has? Thank you. Why he has said specially South Indians? What is the reason behind that? Because every illiterate fellow also use English in their daily life. ప్రతి ఓడి ఇంగ్లీష్ యూస్ చేస్తున్నాడు. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, our mothers, some of our mothers they are not literates, but they daily use English. ఏమంటారు? For example, light is the English word, fan is English word. Or else you go to any hotel or cafe, they will ask how many tea you want, any tea is covered. So like that, every illiterate fellow was using English in South India, but not in North India. For example, if you go in North India, మీరు కానీ నార్త్ ఇండియాలో పోతే వాళ్ళు ఏమంటారు? అమ్మ బిజిలీ చాలు కరో, దీపక్ లగాओ. For the what light, they use దీపక్. Okay? But in South Indian, they don't tell Amma Deepak Jalo, they tell Ammi light lagao. Or else Amma light ayandi. Correct na? So that's why Bill Gates, he said after the Americans, South Indians are the intelligent fellows because here the South Indians give that much of respect to English. And another thing, we said that English not belonging to India. In my point of view, English doesn't belong to any country. It is a one of the country. In my point of view, English itself a country in which all of our using this language. It doesn't belong to anyone. After that, I think that English was not a language. It's a gift given by God to us. Okay? Please try to utilize this. If you know the secret of English, you can rule this world with one hand. Okay? Thank you. Take care. Thank you for giving me this golden opportunity. Thank you. Take care.